Morning. So it is the morning of our sale with Catzero. Oh, sorry, putting away the bed.
It's alright. Doing my chores.
Words aren't coming to my head, it's so early. We had to get up at 6:30.
6:30, I don't think we've up. I got up and opened the curtain, and I don't think we've been up, and it's been dark for
No, not for a very long time. No, we got up very early when we got the ferry over to Europe.
Oh yeah.
But it's so early that I just brushed my teeth and it made me feel a bit sick. I don't know why you needed to know that. But we're starting in the van. We're parked on the marina in Hull. And we're going to go over to the boat now, but we're not taking this camera. We're taking our little GoPro. So I don't know how good the sound is on that. So we'll have to wait and see what the footage is like. But we're really excited. You're excited?
Yeah. Excited.
As excited we can be at 6:30 in the morning. But we've got a little talk as well to show you what Catzero is all about and the good work that they do. So I'll show you.
We've been going for over 10 years now. We started off in here, in Hull, working with young people aged 16 to 18. Hull was identified as having one of the worst problems with NEETs, young people who were not in education, employment or training throughout the country, and they really wanted to do something about it. There are youth programmes and there are sailing programmes, but they're near the twain. What we should do is run a programme that gets hold of these young people who would never normally engage with any activity. We should run a land-based programme, then at the end of the land-based programme have a sail programme which would last about 8 days, and then we'll have a move on at the end of it, so it's really joined up. What we're trying to do, we're trying to get people to work on their self-belief, their self-confidence and their motivation. The great thing about self-belief and self-confidence is they are a skill. I know that the thing that stops most people doing anything is themselves. I know it's me, and if me, a relatively confident person, can stop myself, just think how it can be for young people, old people who have got many, many issues themselves. Our work is about empowering the individuals and the families to learn how to sort their own problems out, which may sound a million miles from going sailing on a yacht, but it's not. The area we've always struggled in really is funding, because the thing we do isn't sexy. Okay, we are working with some of the most disadvantaged people there are out there. We're not cuddling dogs, which people like to donate to. So going out and trying to secure funding to work with this group of people is exceedingly difficult. What we're trying to do now is spread the word about the work we do to as wide a public as possible.
So dry.
It's the abyss.
Is all I ever want.
thank you all for watching our Catzero sale. If you haven't checked them out already, go into the link in our description and see the wonderful work that they do.
Yeah, we had a truly amazing time, and we're so grateful that we were invited to go sailing with them.
Yeah, it's such a good opportunity, and you can do it. I mean, the charity do stuff. Obviously, they're fundraising, so they do stuff for corporate companies, team building exercises. You can just go and learn how to sail with them. So have a look at what they do. They've got a donate button as well on the website, so you can donate money that way. And Danny is from Catzero, who's our skipper, is raising money by doing marathons, isn't he?
Yeah.
I can't remember how many it is. It's a
It's
stupid
loads.
amount of marathons. Yeah, he's basically running to the moon and back. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go and check out Catzero.
Yeah, I'll leave all the links to their social medias down below, and their website, and I'll leave it all down there.
And we'll link as well to everyone else that was on the boat, so you can go and see their videos, because they're probably a little bit better than ours.
Hey, I tried so hard.
Yeah, we tried. Okay, can't fault us for trying. But yeah, otherwise we shall see you in 1
Bye.
week. Bye. Bad Joke Tuesday, double whammy coming at ya. So, for this week, what's a pirate's favourite letter?
Arr.
No, it's not R, it's C. I love the sea.